celebrities share their favorite diet, health and weight loss advice, PT2. Enjoy this advice from some of your favorite people. Also, please like and subscribe and you will automatically become one of my favorite people. Gisele Bündchen. Gisele Bündchen is a Brazilian supermodel who has become an advocate for healthy living. She believes that the key to achieving good health is by maintaining a balanced and wholesome diet. One of her favorite foods is quinoa, which she describes as a complete protein source. In terms of exercise, Gisele enjoys practicing yoga and meditation to keep her mind and body fit. She also engages in cardio activities like Pilates and running. Outside of workouts, she recommends engaging in outdoor activities like hiking or swimming. When it comes to beauty routines, Gisele emphasizes the importance of taking care of your skin from within with a nutrient-rich diet filled with fruits and vegetables. She also suggests using natural products on the skin rather than chemical-laden ones. Gisele's approach to health involves finding balance between nutrition, fitness, self-care practices like meditation and skincare routines that prioritize natural ingredients over chemicals. Chrissy Teigen. Chrissy Teigen is a model, TV personality, and cookbook author known for her quick wit and relatable persona. When it comes to diet and fitness advice, Chrissy has been open about her struggles with body image and finding the right balance. One piece of advice she swears by is moderation, indulging in your favorite foods every once in a while without guilt. She also recommends trying new things, whether it be a new workout routine or cuisine. In terms of exercise, Chrissy admits that she's not the biggest fan but finds ways to stay active through activities like dancing or taking walks with her family. When it comes to mental health, Chrissy stresses the importance of self-care and making time for yourself. This can include anything from meditation to treating yourself to a spa day. Chrissy's approach to diet and health emphasizes balance and self-love rather than strict rules or fad diets. Jessica Alba. Jessica Alba is a well-known actress, entrepreneur, and mother of 3. She has always been an advocate for healthy living and shares her diet and fitness tips with fans on social media. One of Jessica's go-to health habits is drinking plenty of water throughout the day. In fact, she carries a water bottle with her wherever she goes to ensure she stays hydrated. This not only helps keep her skin looking radiant but also aids digestion and boosts energy levels. When it comes to exercise, Jessica mixes things up by doing a variety of activities such as hot yoga, hiking, strength training, and dance cardio. She also loves going on family bike rides or jumping on the trampoline with her kids for some fun physical activity. In terms of nutrition, Jessica follows a mostly plant-based diet that includes lots of fresh fruits and vegetables. She limits processed foods and opts for whole grains instead. She even launched her own company called The Honest Company, which offers non-toxic household products including organic snacks. Jessica's holistic approach to health emphasizes balance and self-care, which inspires many people to lead healthier lifestyles themselves. Miranda Kerr. Miranda Kerr is a widely recognized Australian supermodel and entrepreneur who has always been an advocate of healthy living. Her approach to diet, health, and weight loss is all about balance and moderation. When it comes to her diet, Miranda prefers to eat whole foods that are nutrient-dense and organic whenever possible. She loves starting her day with green smoothies made from kale, spinach, celery, cucumber, ginger root, lemon juice, and coconut water. For snacks throughout the day, she enjoys fruits or raw veggies with hummus or almond butter. In order to maintain her stunning physique at its optimal level of fitness, Miranda follows a regular workout routine consisting of yoga mixed in with high-intensity interval training, HIIT. Aside from physical activity, Miranda also emphasizes the importance of getting plenty of sleep each night for overall well-being. She recommends going to bed early as restful sleep helps keep our hormones in check, which can positively impact both our mental health as well as physical appearance. Miranda's advice on maintaining a healthy lifestyle includes staying hydrated by drinking plenty of water throughout the day, along with eating nutritious meals filled with fresh fruits and vegetables while getting enough exercise and rest needed for your body type. Jennifer Aniston. Jennifer Aniston is one of the most iconic and beloved actresses in Hollywood. She has always been known for her fit physique and healthy lifestyle. When it comes to diet, Jennifer believes in moderation and balance. She doesn't deprive herself of any food but also knows when to stop. Aniston's favorite workout is yoga, which she practices regularly with her friend and trainer Mandy Ingber. Yoga helps her stay toned, flexible, and centered both physically and mentally. But Jennifer doesn't limit herself to just one type of exercise. She also enjoys running outdoors or doing high-intensity interval training. In terms of skincare, Aniston swears by a few simple yet effective tips like drinking plenty of water throughout the day, getting enough sleep every night, following a consistent skincare routine using natural products, wearing sunscreen daily, avoiding too much sugar, alcohol, or smoking that can cause premature aging. Jennifer Aniston's philosophy on health is all about maintaining a strong mind-body connection through balanced nutrition choices, regular exercise practices, and self-care rituals that nurture not only your body but also your soul. Alicia Keys. Alicia Keys, the Grammy-winning singer-songwriter, is known for her soulful voice and inspiring lyrics. But did you know that she's also a health enthusiast who follows a plant-based diet? Here are some of Alicia Keys' favorite diet and fitness tips. Firstly, Alicia believes in the power of drinking water. She starts her day with a glass of lemon water to hydrate her body and boost digestion. She also recommends drinking plenty of water throughout the day to keep your skin glowing and your body energized. In terms of food, Alicia prefers whole foods that are high in nutrients. Her go-to meals include quinoa salads, vegetable stir-fries, and lentil soups. She avoids processed foods and sugary drinks as much as possible. When it comes to exercise, Alicia likes to mix things up with different activities such as yoga, dance cardio classes, and hiking. She believes that finding joy in movement is key to staying motivated and consistent with your workouts. For mental wellness, Alicia practices mindfulness meditation daily. This helps her stay centered amidst the demands of her busy career and personal life. Alicia's approach to health emphasizes holistic well-being, nourishing both the body and mind for optimal vitality. Conclusion. It's clear that celebrities have a lot of wisdom when it comes to diet, health, and weight loss. From Gisele Bündchen's love for green smoothies to Alicia Keys' focus on self-care, there are plenty of tips and tricks we can all learn from. However, it's important to remember that what works for one person may not work for another. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your lifestyle or diet. At the end of the day, the most important thing is taking care of ourselves both mentally and physically. By incorporating some of these celebrity tips into our own lives and finding what works best for us individually, we can all strive towards living healthier and happier lives.